Okay, campers. So this is the part that goes on the floor of the support system, the bottom of the camper. And as you can tell, this is in two pieces. Those lines are for some biscuits that are going to get glued after I put this on. So it's all been fitted, and as you can tell, it's pretty thick plywood. And I fitted it, and then I cut. I dated this. I just dated it with a skill saw. Didn't have to be a big deal. And then cut it. I chipped it out with a good chisel. It didn't have to be a big deal because they're gonna get all resin anyways. So, and here's that portion of it. Here's that portion of it. And then as you can tell, so that's going to split like that, and at that seam there's going to be a support coming up. So basically it's going to unify all this together. There's going to be a like a little truss that goes on top of that. And so what I ended up doing here is I did oops, so you can tell this here. So basically, all those are biscuit marks, and I basically marked them all out, both sides. And I fitted it already. I took a template with some cardboard. So, and matter of fact, I think I got the cardboard right here. Yep. So here's the cardboard. So there's that. And there's some of the plywood. And this is all the stuff that came out of the camper. Here's all the drawers and everything else that I got to put back together. It's all in one piece. So but that's going to get glued. And on the back side, what I did is I drilled, let's see, I drilled a bunch of holes. So I drilled a bunch of holes with a Forstner bit, and then I roughened the whole bit so that the resin would be would glue on a lot better. And so I did both sides. So, and then the stuff that I'm going to be using is this. It's from Total. Well, it's from Jamestown. It's Jamestown resin, and it comes with a kit, and it's total resin. And so I got some thickener in here. I got some thickener that I'm going to be using, a couple cups, and total hardener. You can tell. There's some fiberglass for lapping, and then epoxy resin, traditional 5:1, part 1 and part 2. So that's what I'm going to be doing, epoxying it together tomorrow. So that, anyways, so I hope it works out real good. Once I get it all together, I'll be putting this on YouTube, I guess, and seeing if I could help some of you guys doing some of this work. I was gonna basically total this camper, but it just so happens that I fixed it. So there's nothing wrong with it. It's just that the floor was given out. Okay, well, see you later, campers. Bye.